Alright, and now it's time for us to find the answer. 60 minus 28. This is 2, this is 30. When we add them together, what do we have? We have 32. So 60 minus 28 is 32. Alright, 300 minus 72. That's what we did here. Now this is 8, this is 20, this is 200. 8 plus 20 is 28. 28 plus 200 is 228. So 300 minus 72 is 228. Okay. Now 759 minus 161. This is 19, this is 20. Now this is a bit complicated, so we're going to break it down again. 19 plus 20. 19 plus 20 is 39. We're going to break it down and solve them little by little. Remember, the idea I'm trying to communicate is that if what you're subtracting is complicated, you break it down into smaller steps and it will be a bit easier. 19 plus 20 is 39. Alright. Now 500 plus 59 is 559. Okay. Now let's add the two together. This is a bit complex and I really want I would like you to see what I will do here. You have 559 plus 39. Okay. Now, what if we do 560 plus 38? Why are we doing it like this? I borrow one from this 39 and put it here. So this becomes 560, this becomes 38. It's easier this way. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. And here you have 5. So quite simply, 759 minus 161 is 598. Okay. So what I wanted you to know, well, I want you to know two things actually. First of all, when you're subtracting large numbers like this, you break it down into smaller steps. You write the nearest tens, the nearest hundreds, and so on. You can't write the nearest hundreds here because this ends at 60. So you're going to just simply write the nearest tens. Here you write the nearest tens, 80, the nearest hundreds, 100, 300. Then you add up the answers, and that's the result of your subtraction. Another thing I want you to learn, when you're adding something like 39 plus 559, in fact, if you're adding anything that is complicated, break it down. Break it down to the nearest tens and nearest hundreds, nearest ones, nearest everything. This is 39. I can take 39 to 40. I can borrow one from this to have 558 and take 39 to 40. 558 plus 40, 568, 578, 588, 598. We get the same thing. I can borrow one from 39 and take this to 560. This becomes 38, this becomes 560, and we get our answer. So, if you're looking for ways to make addition and subtraction easy for yourself, this method always works.